Gourmet chicken noodle soup. Top of the morning. Yeah, so basically I woke up at 6 a.m. You wanna know why I woke up at 6 a.m.? Because I'm unstoppable. This is what happens, guys. I go a week or so waking up at 12 a.m. and then I wake up one day before 8 a.m. and I am an unstoppable beast. I feel as if I could destroy a small civilization and get away with it. No. I just happen to be the same fella who woke up at 6 a.m. Anyways, 20 minutes down the hatch. Gotta go to work. It's gonna be a good day. Mark 14:38. I don't remember what it is. Watch and pray that you may not enter into temptation. The spirit indeed is willing, but the flesh is weak. Now, what does that mean, folks? It means I'm laying in bed, the covers are warm, and I don't want to get up. Start to pray, baby. For real. Okay, let's go. You ever been put in a pot and it started to boil? Yeah. Is there a hole in my pants? Bro, there's not a hole in my pants. Smokey always tries to seduce me like that. I'm like, dog, you are a dog. There's a human trapped inside of her body. Timer starts now. Wait, actually, stop timer. I need to play a podcast. Well, I don't need to, but I want to. Bro, everybody always be saying that. Bro, when I was a kid, stop looking at my toes. When I was a kid, I'd be like, bro, I need some food. They're like, you don't need food. You want food. I'm like, shut up. Like, what? I'm just trying to eat some food for real. And you're over here trying to give me a grammar lesson. Time to get some water, baby. A water baby? A baby made of water? My mind is melted. It has been melted. My hair is looking like a doo-doo poo-poo. 500 bottles of beer on the wall. God, I don't even know what's going on.
Jesus aside, or whatever. But they went like looking for the same. No, you're not getting Russia, Germany, the covenant when it's stolen understanding, spiritual arguing.
When I wake up at a reasonable time, I try not to drink coffee after 12. So when I wake up at 12, I'll have one coffee just because. When I wake up at a reasonable time, like say 6 a.m. like today, bro, I'm abusing coffee until 12. Like I'll have freaking 3-5 cups, drink coffee 45 minutes to an hour after waking up, and don't drink it after 12 because it fricks with your sleep. I'm sniffing super glue now, but this thing, my camera, that broke. I'm gonna super glue that because with this thing on, fisheye lens, baby. Let's go! And I have it, but I broke this, so now I haven't been able to use my fisheye lens. The world just looks better through fisheye. That's all I'm saying. Bro. No. I quit sniffing glue a long time ago. Just a dash of super glue. I just smelt it. Makes me want to sniff even more. Oh, okay, so yeah, that almost just glued me to the thing. Bro. I actually just fixed it, bro. Bro, fisheye lens is back, baby. The world looks better through fisheye. That's all I am saying. You can quote me on that, bro. Seriously, though, I never sniffed glue. Let me introduce you to, boom, big wheelie thing that I'm going to use as a table. I'm out of breath because that thing's heavy and I lifted it into my car by myself. Anyways, listen. So, basically, boom. I ask the man, sir, do you need this wheel? He said, no, go ahead and take it, kind sir. He didn't say it exactly like that, but it's close enough. He said, I have one at my house. It's a great beer drinking table. I said, sir, are you telling me that you have a table specifically dedicated to drinking beer? Does this mean that you are so adept in the art of drinking that you have a table dedicated specifically to beer, sir? Going by this logic, one might assume that some tables are better for drinking beer than others. He said, on the contrary, dear friend, any table is a beer drinking table, or something like that, I don't remember. But long story short, boom, beer drinking table. Boom, folks. We are, what's the word, injured. Cut my hand with a razor blade at work. So now we're getting some Hattie B's. Oh yeah. Yeah, folks. Electrolytes. Okay, so heading home. Tripping acid on a big bass fish. I'm tripping acid, thinking of bass fish. I sliced it and instantly just thought about not being able to work out, and I got so sad. Toby, Hattie B's will kill you. It's full of preservatives. It will. I made a rule just now that anytime I slice my hand with a razor blade, I can go to Hattie B's. I know what you're asking. Toby, wait, isn't your hand fricked? Yeah, it's fricked. I'm driving with the side of my hand. Yes, it's safe. Don't ask questions. I'm not even on the road. I'm on like a back dirt. Back dirt? Yep, back dirt. There is no hospital involved in this one, folks. Jesus is my physician, you dumb schmuck. The only physician I need is the great physician, okay? That's all I'm saying. Yes, Lord. I'm gonna be out like for at least a week. At least this week, which sucks, but I mean, I'm still gonna film just tanning and yapping for real, so. Yeah, so basically, I did not wake up at 6. I woke up at like 11, but no, I have no excuse. Like, I can't do my workouts with this thing, but I could have still gotten up. But I was just kind of like, what's the point of getting up if I can't even like, but there is a point, because boom, I wake up, but the thing is, we don't even have any coffee. No, it's okay. We can still get up. Look at how cool my little gym setup looks. There's birds. Gabe is gonna hit the workout for the video. Uno. Dos. Boom! I've had a sudden burst of energy. Gabe and me we're gonna make some dinner. When you have lack of hand, you need to make do with the other. I just want to punch you right in the face. Boom.
Chicken.
Guys, don't mind the salmonella pouring from these bags. Welcome, Silver Gabriel. Hello, welcome to my cooking show. Just getting a little wash on with the chicken. Wait right there. Oh gosh.
Guys, it hit the jelly.
You are not filming me.
I'm sorry, guys.
What do I pay you for, Gabriel?
Dude, I could just like eat that right now. Holy crap. Chicken. Okay, so what are we doing next?
Frick Don Booger Butt! Sorry.
That's a lot.
Oh man, what am I doing? What am I doing?
What is that hand? We like these John's juicy.
Blow some salmonella. Oh, you're not filming!
I am filming.
Okay. Are you filming me? Am I seen in the shot?
Yes.
What do I hire you for?
What is that?
That's boogers, Eden. That's boogers.
Hey, sorry,
Okay, film me. What are you doing?
I'm filming the steak.
That's not steak! God!
Let's roll.
Little salmonella for you. Boom! And boom!
Boom! Salmonella. Boom! Salmonella.
And salmonella.
Boom, baby!
It's just a pile of salmonella.
I love a little salmonella in my biscuit.
Bro, okay, let me zoom into these.
Let's go.
Can't really like film something else.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
We're gonna do this scooper because we like to poopa.
Eden, I always knew you were a funny one. Coconut! Twist, 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 twist. Oh! And a little spoon. Ah! Or a fork. Ah!
Or a fork is fine as well.
And then
Cool.
switch it.
Morning, folks. I woke up pretty late just because, I was up real late editing that thing, but... Folks, we're going on a run because I need to do some physical activity. Folks, we're out of shape with the running. I'm probably running way too fast for getting back into it, but like... Whew. Folks, we got half a mile left. I've stopped in runs before, but never like this, bro. This really shows me that I need to get back running. because I do not like feeling like this. Let's finish this out. All done, baby. I realized that I've had these on the whole time. I didn't even like use them as sunglasses. I was basically just using it as like a, what's it called? I don't remember what it's called. Bomber jet? Headband, there we go, gosh. I like running with no food. I don't know. I can get, what's the word? Gosh, I need like a dictionary with me at all times. What's the word? Not nauseous. It's that other one. Pepto-Bismol, there we go. Indigestion. I get indigestion when I run with too much food. Vote me president of the United States of America. I kind of forgot I was filming today. Making dinner right now! I actually just watched Titanic for the first time. And I was distraught, let's say that. So, I have just been distraughted twice in a row today. I was filming, boom, ripped off the tie, boom. Started yelling aggressively because I cannot find my apron. And I said, and I quote, "How am I supposed to feel pretty without an apron on?" Okay, now I said it a little bit more aggressively. Made some good jokes, made some laughs. We had fun, but only exist in my memory. Much like Jack in the Titanic. Spoiler alert, Jack dies. Yes, I did know that, but I didn't know that I would become an emotional wreck when that happened. I was more of a wreck than the Titanic was at the bottom of the ocean. Boom, boom, boom! You see that? We're quick here. We're quick. We make quick lines. Also, wait a minute. Wasn't Rose an actress? Rose was an actress after she left the Titanic. How in the world did the one dude that she was betrothed or whatever to, whatever the word would be, and he never saw her? Not that many actresses back then, you understand? It depends. Was she in theater? Gosh! Or was she in the big screen, on the silver screen? This just in, folks. Rose is from the Titanic. I don't know. So that's just a little plot hole that I wanted to bring up real quick. It's not really a plot hole as much as an interesting question posed by myself. I'm honestly just stalling because I really miss my apron. I guess I can just wear this one, but it's just not the same. This is like taking a blind man's dog away. This one is not pretty in pink. The depression is setting in. That is precarious. That is very precarious. Okay, I'm feeling good. Let's make some rice. Boom, some rice, boom, some chicken. We are... I just took off my apron, I swear, bro. I literally was wearing it that whole time making the food, okay?